Hi there, Hamid Safai here. The new year has just kicked off and I am sure you have got goals to realize in this year, haven't you? The point is that many people are held back by thoughts like, what if I fail? What if I can't? I don't know where to start. I don't have money, I don't have time, and the likes. If these are the thoughts coming to your mind, we have good news. We have designed a workshop, a unique workshop during which we won't teach you how to achieve your goal, but we will literally take your hand step by step so that you achieve your goal. One condition, this is not for everyone. We would like to give the limited spots to people who are highly motivated. If this is you, I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.